Hello, today I'm in Fort Edge. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this button. We have to simply press. Then on the screen display we'll get the list of the commands we can use in the current section. So for example, if you are in menu, CD, media, phone or menu or radio, you can use different commands. But firstly, let's press this button and follow the instructions.
Please say a command.
Help.
Try saying a device name, like phone or USB. Main menu. Say a command.
Main menu.
Main menu. Say a command.
USB.
Sorry, no USB device is currently connected. Please say a command.
Radio.
Radio. Say a frequency or Please say a command.
Radio.
Radio. Say a frequency or preset.
FM1. And that's how the voice assistant works. It's not the best technology, but it works. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.